Offset or redraw? It's a small detail that can have a massive impact. Choosing between an offset and a redraw, it could feel like splitting hairs, yeah? They both save you interest and they help you pay off your loan faster, which is great. But here's the kicker, they're not created equal, and making the wrong call at the beginning could cost you big time down the line and potentially remove some flexibility when it comes to options. So let's dive into the example. When you've got a loan, the bank will look at the amount that you owe, so this is our loan here. The bank will look at the amount you owe and say, hey, you owe us $700 of interest on that one, and you know what, you've got to pay $300 down every single month. So $1,000, that's what you have to give us in minimum repayments. They've charged us interest on this full amount. But if we've got an offset account, which is money sitting in a bank account next to the loan, rather than the bank charging us interest on the full amount, they only charge us interest on the extra amount that isn't offset. So they cross that one out. So we still make our $1,000 minimum repayment, but rather than it being $700 of interest, it's actually $600 of interest, which means you get to pay your loan down quicker. So here's the difference though. With this, I can pick up this bundle of $100,000 and put it wherever I want, spend it on whatever I want, and it doesn't impact the loan. Also, it doesn't make it tax deductible or not tax deductible because this is just cash sitting in a bank account. Here's the difference with a redraw. If I pick up this $100,000 and I throw it into my loan, then what I'm doing is I'm effectively putting into the loan and reducing the loan itself. So what that looks like, well, we no longer have access to that. We've paid down the loan. If I wanted to get that money back and use it on the next Europe holiday, I'd actually have to pull it out of the loan, which means I'd have to pay interest on that money. And whether that interest is deductible or not tax deductible depends on what I'm spending the money on. Not what the loan is secured against, but what I'm actually spending the money on. So again, an offset, it gives you a lot of flexibility. You can pick out that bundle of $100,000, put it whatever you like. If you put it into a redraw though, when you draw it back out, the deductibility is gonna be dependent on what you use the money for. So next time you wanna get a mortgage or you're looking to do a refinance, chat to a broker and ask them which one is gonna be the best one for you.